retwisting your locks reduces frizz. By retwisting your locks, you're now taming the frizz. So you're helping the frizz to blend into the locks by retwisting and palm rolling. We were saying, gals and gents, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we live life the affordable way. My name is Moniqua. Today we're going to be talking about the benefits of retwisting locks. How often should we retwist locks? Let's just start there. How often is normally for a week, but you know, some of us like to get a little ahead of ourselves and go 2 weeks, 2 days. Anytime they have need to touch up, they do it. The first benefit of retwisting locks is retwisting locks encourages lock formation. It trains your hair to form into locks by basically the transitioning of the retwist, reinforcing of the section and the retwisting pattern. And this is how we get our hair to have like this lock. Now bear in mind, your hair can naturally lock, but retwisting your locks will have it, you know, more uniform and more sleek. The second benefit is retwisting your locks maintains the section. So when by sections we mean like the patterns that our hair has, it definitely maintains the section because every time we retwist, we take the hair and we put it back into the lock. So that's another benefit of retwisting your locks. The third benefit of retwisting your locks is it enhances your appearance. Like some people love a neat look. While locks are already a style within itself, some people just love a neat look where they can see like their scalp showing and it just gives off neat. So that's another benefit of retwisting your locks. Another benefit of retwisting your locks is it promotes healthy growth. Now it can promote healthy growth depending on how much times you retwist your locks. This is why I say you gotta be very careful because you don't want to retwist so much to where your hair is now thinning and has a lot of tension. Like you have to be very careful. But it can promote healthy growth by basically giving your locks a gateway and, you know, promoting like your hair to breathe. Like your hair is now breathing, it's free, like you can see your scalp, like, so all of these things can also contribute to growth. Another benefit of retwisting your locks is retwisting your locks reduces frizz. By retwisting your locks, you're now taming the frizz. So you're helping the frizz to blend into the locks by retwisting and palm rolling. So it's also contributing to your locking process. Another benefit of retwisting your locks is it helps secures new growth. It incorporates the new growth that you see when your hair grow into the locking process and giving you a more uniform, sleek look. Another benefit of retwisting locks is it boosts confidence. Like some people don't feel their normal selves when their hair is not retwisted. They get their hair retwisted and they just feel like a brand new person, a brand new woman, a brand new man. So it also boosts your confidence. Another benefit of retwisting locks is it prevents unraveling. Retwisting your locks helps secure your twist and it also prevents unraveling. So when your hair is retwisted and it's clipped and it's dry, your hair won't unravel back unless you twine it to unravel back. If you understand. Another benefit of retwisting your locks is it keeps your roots strong. Regular maintenance ensures that your roots stay strong and it also maintains a nice needed look and it also helps your locks to remain healthy and don't look weak. Another benefit of retwisting your locks is it's very easy to style. Like it's so much easier to style when your hair is retwisted versus when it's not retwisted. Like it's not as difficult, it's easy. Your hair's, you know, laying how you want it to lay and acting how you want it to act. Another benefit of retwisting your locks is you reduce buildup. Retwisting often involves cleansing the scalp. Before you can get your hair retwisted, you have to cleanse your scalp and it can reduce buildup because your hair's cleansed. So when you get your hair retwisted, the products that you previously had won't be in it. Another benefit of retwisting your hair is it protects your hairline. Properly retwisting your hair ensures that the locks don't pull excessively at the edges and prevents thinning. So that's a benefit of retwisting your locks. Another benefit of retwisting your locks is it promotes scalp health. Scalp care during retwisting helps you to maintain a healthy scalp. How you're taking care of your scalp, you can literally see your scalp when it's retwisted. Like you can literally tell what's going on with your scalp. Another benefit of retwisting your locks is supports lock maturity. Retwisting ensures that your locks are evenly and it also ensures that your locks have like the same pattern going on benefit and the last benefit of retwisting your locks is it reinforces your loc journey. Like, retwisting is a part of your loc journey and it now becomes your routine, and you will see exactly how your locks are performing from retwisting it. You will see like what is your routine. Does my hair like being retwisted? Do I like how often do I want to retwist it? Like, it basically becomes a part of you once you get locks. So that's a benefit that you have when it comes to retwisting your locks. Let me know down in the comments how often you retwist your locks and what benefits do you get from retwisting your locks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as we discussed the benefits of retwisting your locks, and stay tuned for the next video on benefits of not retwisting your locks. Do be sure to like, comment and subscribe if you like locks and beauty videos.